Got him.
That is so cool.
Oh, I lost him. Is he going down the waterfall?
Right there,
Oh, I see him.
That is so cool. I'm so glad I spotted him at the right time.
He's going in between the rock. He's kind of struggling now.
Where? Oh, I see him.
He's moving through there.
I see him.
He's like, this is difficult.
That might be the water moccasin.
I'm not sure.
That is so cool. I lost him. Where'd he go?
He's weaving his way through that waterfall. Now he's closer to the bank.
Where?
On the right.
It's easy to lose that.
Yeah. Yeah, he's by the bank now.
Lost him again. Oh, now I see him again. He's under that big rock right there.
Is he?
Watch him. That is so cool. Look. I'm so glad I saw him. He's trying to get to the shore, but that water is too strong. I still see him. I'm keeping my eye on him. He's in between the rocks, probably can't see him.
No, I can't now.
You see him? The rocks over there? He's behind the rocks. You see right there, right?